Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC, without jailbreak, and without worrying about revokes. If you've been looking for a safe, reliable, and easy way to sideload IPA files on iOS, this is currently one of the best methods available. It works on both iPhone and iPad, including the latest iOS versions and beta releases. I'm personally testing this method on my iPad running iOS 17.7, and the installation process works smoothly. This video is sponsored by TryPLus. First, I'll show you how to get TryPLus on your iPhone or iPad, and then I'll show you exactly how to use it to install IPA files in just a few minutes. So if you want to sideload IPA files without a computer, without jailbreaking your device, and without constantly dealing with app revokes, make sure to watch this video until the end. Now let's get started. Alright, first let's get TryPLus installed on your device. Open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Visit the official TryPLus website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started, and then hit on Register Device. Now hit on Download Profile, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now a new page will open. Now simply hit on Pay, and then simply sign up with your details, and then simply choose the payment method, and then hit on Pay Now. Wait for a while, and then it will show you a message that your TryPLus is activated. Now simply hit on Install TryPLus, and then follow the on-screen instructions to install TryPLus on your iPhone or iPad. Now open TryPLus, and then simply log in with your details. Now simply hit on the device option, and then your paid certificate will be available there. Now if you want to download the certificate, simply hit on the Download Certificate option, and then simply save the certificate zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open the TryPLus again, and then simply hit on the IPA Signer option. Then hit on Upload, and then simply hit on Tap to choose. And then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now hit on Sign IPA. Then simply hit on Install to device, and then hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. After a few moments, the application will appear on your home screen just like any normal app. And that's it. No PC, no Mac, no jailbreak. No complicated setup. Just upload, sign, and install. A lot of people still use free signing services, but the problem is that apps often get revoked after a short period of time. With TryPLus, you get a much more reliable experience and don't have to constantly reinstall your apps. Whether you're using an older device or the latest iPhone running iOS 26.5, this method remains one of the easiest ways to install IPA files safely. And that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If you've been searching for a way to sideload IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC, without jailbreak, and without dealing with revokes, then TryPLus is definitely worth checking out. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.